Hello, I'm going to show you today how to use the GrazeCart inventory console. Um, it'll allow you to upload and download your inventory from GrazeCart in a CSV file. Most small ranches work in CSVs, Excel, Google Sheet, and track your stuff there. So having to go into GrazeCart and input all your data, um, and even GrazeCart exports most of their reports in a CSV. So, but you can't upload without a tool like this. So this makes it super easy and efficient. So once you open this GrazeCart um, application here, um, it will basically bring up a blue screen that says, this is an executable. This could contain a virus. More info, or basically leave. You'll need to click more info and run. Why you get this screen is because we have not paid Microsoft $300 or a lot of money to say this is a safe application. And that's the problem that small developers have is you have to put a lot of money out to be like, hey, Microsoft, say this is safe. Here's a certificate. No, Windows won't do that. So um, basically, if you're unsure, scan it with an antivirus. You can get free ones like Avast or AVG. Um, you know, but the download from file converter run GrazeCart inventory console is, or inventory tool is saved. So anyways, you will then after say more info and run, you will get this screen, user agreement and disclaimer. You will need to then, um, let me see here, click in the corner, I have read this agreement and agree to it, basically releasing us from liability. It's between you and the GrazeCart's API. That's where all the information comes from. We do not store, sell, or have anything to do with your API once you use them. This is just a tool to be able to access their servers. Um, um, and then once you say, I have read this and agree, you hit agree. And then thank you, the application has been unlocked based on your agreement. And you can go up to subscription at the top. Okay, so now you need to start a subscription to use the inventory order and inventory column tools. Um, hit start subscription, enter your email like dummyemail@gmail.com, so it doesn't work. So you check, I don't have a subscription for it, so it says no customer found with this email. Click there to say start subscription, also cancel subscription, and it'll bring up tabs here. NAC easy, you can see that there. And this is the one that'll actually show a cancellation. Once you have a uh, subscription here, you can cancel. You get a 7-day free trial. So if this works for you, great. Set up your API key and your URL. I'll show you how to do that here in a minute. You can use it for 7 days, $19 a month afterwards, or you can do the yearly thing. But I mean, it really, really is a nice tool. It saves you way more than that, especially if you're setting up pricing for promotions coming up. You can upload, download, preset pricing, preset quantity, update your quantity in a few minutes in a CSV. And it's so nice. But that's that tool. Let's go back to once it's unlocked, you're going to see these tabs here. It's going to be you can see inventory right here. So under inventory, you'll need to get your API key from GrazeCart. If you go to, let's see, help. Here's a step-by-step guide to generate your API key. Log into your GrazeCart account. Navigate to the account settings section. This is usually found by clicking on your name in the bottom left corner of the page. Select API token from the menu. Click Generate Token to generate a new API token. Copy the generated key and store it in a secure location, as it will be masked after you close the pop-up. You'll never see it again. You have to generate a new one. So save the key. This is like a giant, massive password to access your information. The key is necessary for authenticating your GrazeCart account and communicating with the app and their server. Save it in a safe place. Don't give it out. You can paste it into the inventory tab API by pressing Control V. So yeah, when you're in your inventory right here, You just select the box, Control V. That's a basic command. Once you select your API key and hit Control C, you copy it. You can then click here and say paste, Control V. You'll need the URL. So whatever your URL is, if you're a smallranch.com or you know littleBigRanch.com, you'll need to put that in here. Right here. This is the only thing you'll need to change. Little Big Ranch, right? .grazecart.com/API/version 1. So that it's HTTPS, which means it's the S stands it's secure, so nobody will see your information. It's got 256 hash encryption, so nobody can see your information or break through it. And then here's the download button. It just says download inventory CSV. You can save the file name. The activity log will start showing you everything here. Go page by page. Um, collect your inventory, put it and file it in a CSV. You can also upload, so you can make changes. It gives you the format that it needs to be in, the ID, the SKU, the title. You can do retail price, whatever, upload and change all that information back instantly. It's so nice. Um, and if you have any questions, you can always email me at support@knack.bz. Orders. So here you can always pull orders too. So it'll give you a 3-page report as an Excel file. You can select the dates, the type of status. You can get these some of these reports for GrazeCart already if you go into the website, but this gives you a 3-page report all broken down by PLU. Um, it's a quick grab and it's extremely efficient and easy to look at, so you know what's going out, what's not. Inventory column. So here you have refresh from API. So once you put your API in, it'll update this list and all the items that it can pull from the API, all the on-site, off-site, SKU, retail price, weight. You can select these when you download, and it'll give you all that information in your CSV along, and then be able to upload it again. So you can hit refresh. It says you need to enter your API key first, right here. Once you do that, it'll yeah. Once you put that in with your URL, you should be good to go. I mean, if you have any questions, email me, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.